morning Year 1 and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Okay, for your warm-up today we're going to start with a little number splat game. So you're going to need your 100 square grid and your whiteboard pen. I'm going to call a number out and I want you to put a circle around the number and then I'm going to splat it and check that we've got the same number. Okay, are we ready? The first number is 25. Off you go. Circle number 25. Splat. Your next number is 52. Check if we've got the same number. Next number, 77. Ready, splat. Next number, I'm going to go 31. Your circle around your 31. Splat. Next number, 48. Splat. Number 9. Number 64. We're going to do two more. We're going to have 92. And the last one, I'm going to go for 13. Ready? 13. Okay. And you can carry on. You can have a little game with your mums, your dad, your brothers or your sisters and you can see who can quickly splat the numbers yourselves. Okay. Now I'd like you to wipe your number squares clean and we're going to have a little go at counting in tens. So we're going to have a look at your number square and we're going to start and they're going to go all the way down this column here. And each time we'll be adding 10 on. So we're going to start at 10 and I want you to chant the numbers with me. Off we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And you can do that a couple of times and see how quick you can get all the way down. And you can also count in tens from anywhere on your number square. So you might want to count in tens, but starting from 5. So each time you will notice that you're going to move down one row each time. Okay, so we're going to start 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. And each time you will be adding on 10. Okay, so you can practice that choosing any number along and check the pattern every time. You will be jumping down one row at a time. Okay. After you've had a go of that, we're going to move on to your pack now. So I'm going to open up the packs and have a look at your activities for today. Now, remember, as always, check which pack you are going to be doing. I'm going to start with the reception level book, okay? But you only need to follow on for the correct book that's yours. Okay, so today we're going to be working on page 4. Okay, we're going to be looking at numbers and counting. So, for your first question, it needs you to count the circles in each box and then you're going to put the number in here. After that, you need to tick which two boxes have got the same number. So remember, when you're doing your touch counting, don't rush those numbers. Take your time. So we'll count the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to put your number 5 in the box. Neck and tummy, put on a hat. Okay, and you'll do the same for this box and this box. And then you're going to find which two boxes have got the same number in. Okay, your next question says, circle the right words below. So you're going to be looking at more and fewer. Now remember, more means greater, a bigger number. And fewer means less than, a smaller number. So you need to count the forks, see how many forks there are, and then you're going to count the knives and see how many knives there are. And then it says there are more or fewer knives than fork. So you need to circle which one of those is correct. So ask your grown-up to help you. Okay. And the last one says there are more or fewer hats than heads. So you will do the same again. You're going to count the heads. Now there's men and women heads, so you need to count those, and then you need to count the hats and see which one has got more or fewer. Okay. Next, we're going to have a look at the Year 1 booklet. Okay. So you're going to be working on page 4 today. Okay, we're going to be looking at tens and ones again. So we're going to look here. It says what numbers are shown below. So you can see we have a 10 stick. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that there is 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So when you come on to your next question, make sure that you try to count the tens. Don't count each individual number because you know already that there are 10 there and 10 there. So what is 10 and 10? 10, 20, and then add on your ones. Okay. Question 2. Put the right number in each box. So 16 is the same as 10 and 6. So 11 is the same as how many tens and a 1? Okay. Number 3. Write the next 2 numbers in each list. So you're going to continue the number sequence. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this one you will notice is going backwards. So it's 46, 45, 44. What number comes before 44? So you can use your number square to help you. It will be 43. Okay. Next booklet that we're going to have a look at is the Year 2 booklet. Okay. So you're also going to be working on page number 4 today. So we're going to be counting on in tens from the number in the first box. Now this is really important that this is what we did in the warm-up. So don't forget to use your 100 square and count down the columns in your 100 square. So you're going to be adding on 10 each time. So another 10 after 6 will be 16. Another 10 will be 26. Okay, so you're going to do that for each one. Make sure you use your number square to help you. Okay, for the next question, you're going to be doing exactly the same, but you're going to work backwards. So on your number square, you'll be working up the number square. You'll start at the bottom, at the end number, and you'll be working backwards. Okay, number 3 says, write the numbers in the correct place below on the number lines. So you're going to start from 30. You need to count what these numbers will be before you get to 35. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And we want you to put the number 33 in the right place. So you won't write number 33 over here. You'll count 31, 32, 33. Okay, and the same for question B. Okay. Thank you everybody. I hope you enjoy your activities today and we'll see you tomorrow.